Yo, what's up everyone? I just took this trade now on NAS on the 5 minute time frame and I entered from here. So this is it on my phone and I am already on a $9 or a $10 profit. What this trade looks like on the 1 hour time. If you observe, it's rejecting from a zone I marked and it has been rejecting from this zone for a while now. So I just felt like price has been rejecting from this zone for a while now. Just here, if you observe, let me expand this so you see why I took the trade from here as well. So if you observe here, you observe that price has been rejecting from this zone. He did that the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time. This is the fifth time. So there is a possibility that price will still reject or sell from that zone again. So that's the main reason I'm taking a sell there. So I just came, I saw the zone that price has been rejecting for a while now. The 5 minutes time frame is already going in my direction. This trade here is a 1:4 trade. So I hope with this trade I'll just pass phase one of my account ASAP. If you observe here, I'm already on a $58 profit. Initially on this trade I was supposed to enter around here, so I was struggling with a lot size I will use. That's why it looks like I entered late, but this is was where I intended to enter from. But regardless, it's still going in profit. I'll update you guys. As it stands now, this trade has gone for 1:1. I just felt like I'd have been up 1:2 if I had entered from here. Regardless of anything, even if I have missed 1:1 already, it's still fair. The game plan is still going on, so it's only ideal I entered from there rather than just miss the trade. Or because I've missed a particular place I would have loved to enter. So that's just what I did. I just entered from there and it's going in my direction. All I have to do now is to just wait and see the outcome of this trade. I know some of you will be like, why are you going for 1:4? Why are you not going for 1:2, 1:3? But my idea of trading profit now is to pass this account. I don't intend to trade profit for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months like I always did before. Right now, I just want to enter, risk a reasonable amount of money. Either pass the account or I blow the account. If I blow the account, I try to get another one ASAP. The way I'm trying to trade profit is not the way I usually do before. Then I'll just get an account. Then I'll be risking $25. A 5K account, I'm risking $25. How many trades will I take before I pass? Not just $25. I'll risk $25 and I'll be going for $50. How long will I trade the account before I make $500 to pass phase one? After phase one, you not need to go for phase two. And phase one, you have to make about 8%. So how many $50? I think phase one you have to make about 10% because it's $500. So instead of trying to hoard the account or trying to preserve it for you not to do, why not risk something reasonable so I can pass this account, then go to the next phase? If I don't pass it, it is ideal I get another one ASAP and I continue trading. The main purpose here is to pass an account. If you succeed to pass one account, you are done. All the money you've lost, there's a possibility that you recover all that money. So that's my whole idea of trading right now. I'm not trying to preserve an account. I'm not trying to be scared. If you're trading profit, you should not be scared. You should be going all in so that you can pass this account and start making money ASAP. That's why if you come into trading, you should not come with the idea of this is the only thing that will be giving me money, because it will not work. You need to come with at least a capital that will help you or sustain you in the market. Profit helps a lot. It helps a lot, a whole lot. So if you are coming into the market, come with the idea of, as I'm getting this profit, I'm trying to pass it ASAP. And that's the same thing I'm doing here right now. This is my first trade and I'm going for 1:4. And if this trade goes in my direction, maybe 1:3, I'll be adding to this trade to see if I can pass this account once and for all today and go to phase 2 ASAP. So peace out. Let's see how the trade goes. It's already going in my direction. Let me show you guys. So as it stands now, this trade has gone for 1:2. If you see here, you see that this trade has gone for 1:2. So I'll be taking $100 off the table, then I'll leave the rest to run. So that's what I'll be doing just now. So this is it right now. I'm taking $100 off the table. So even if this trade goes against me, I'll be leaving the chart with $100, and that's a good thing. So I'll leave the rest to run, and if it goes for 1:3, I'll be adding to this trade. So this is what's happened. This is it right now, and it's still going in my direction. As it stands now, I'm out of this trade. If you observe here, you see that price came back and it hits me at break even. But the good thing is I came out with $100 profit. Price is still going in my direction regardless, but what can I do? I've already taken profit. So you can see this big move. See what price is doing. See what price is doing. see what price is doing. But I'm already out of the market. What can I do? The good thing is I came out with $100 profit. I know most of you would have been saying, why did I take $100 profit? I would have just broken even at probably $0. But the ideal thing is that you don't even price to start saying, I've already seen $214. For the fact that I want to pass this account, I need to take some profit off the table. I decided to take $100 since I've gone for $214. But regardless of how I wanted it to go, you can't predict market movement. So he came back and hits me at my break even where I intended to take $100 off the table. So I'm out of this trade with $100. I'll be coming back tomorrow to trade my $100. Now we're going for 1:4 to see if I can pass this account ASAP. Yo, what's up everyone? Today is Wednesday and I just took this sell on now for the 5-minute time frame. This is an early trade. This is just 11:18 and I'm entering the market. But before that, let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday initially I was going to take a sell from here. Then all of a sudden I just changed my buyer because of this higher low and higher high the market has been making. So instead I was looking at the buy. So I was waiting for the market to break this zone, then I will buy. Immediately I left the market and I came back to look at it, I saw that the zone I marked, price respected it and it went straight for my take profit. You see this trade here, it would have helped me pass my phase 1 profit account and I did not take this trade because this was a 1:4 trade. This is a perfect 1:5 self, 1:5 trade I would have taken and I did not take it. So then I came back around 7 again and I saw the trade still selling, so I entered from here. So price went for about 1:2 and it reversed and it hits me at my stop loss. The mistake I made was that I did not break even when it went for 1:2 as I usually do. Normally when my trade go for 1:2 because I risked $100, I would take partial profit of $100. But on this trade I did not take it because I wasn't paying full attention to this trade. So when I came back I saw that price has already hit me at stop loss. So I lost about $91 on this trade. So today I'm coming back to take this trade now, a buy. And this trade is already going against me because I intend to sell this trade. I just believe that price will not break this level. If price breaks this level, this will be a perfect buy setup. So let's see what happens. I'll update you guys. So this trade just hit my stop loss and I'm out of this trade. So that's it for today. I won't be trading anymore today. I'll just come back tomorrow and look for a good setup and enter. What's up everyone? Today is Thursday and I'm on this gold sell on the 5-minute time frame. This is what the trade looks like as it stands now. This is it on my profit account. I'm on a $46 profit already. As it stands now, I'm going on a 1:4 profit, but if it goes for 1:2, I'll be taking profit, then I'll leave the rest to run. If you observe in the 4-hour time frame, you see that gold consolidated here for a while, then it bought. After buying, it broke this zone here that I marked. Then it came up and it consolidated again. But the main reason I'm selling this market is because when it came here and it consolidated, it covered this gap here. So that was the main reason I'm selling this market. But this market is still in a buy trend. But I just want to sell it for a bit, then I'll be out of this market ASAP. Let's see what happens. So as it stands now, this trade has gone for 1:1.5 and I just broke even. If you observe, you see that my stop loss is now inside my trade, so I've broken even. So even if price comes back and hits me, I won't lose money from this trade. But hopefully I still believe that this is a good trade and it will go in my direction. So let's see how it goes. I'll update you guys. As it stands now, this trade has gone for 1:2. So I'll be taking a partial profit of $100 off this trade. So if it comes back and hits me, I'll be coming out with $100 profit. But if it doesn't, I'm good to go. So this is here, I'll be taking $100 profit off the charts. So if it comes back and it hits me, I'll be out of this trade with $100 profit, which is how I've been trading. If my trade goes for 1:2, I take a partial profit of $100 and leave the rest to run. So as it stands now, I'm out of this trade. If you observe here, I came out with $99 profit. The trade came back and hits me here for my partial profit of $100. So that's just it for today. There are certain mistakes I'm trying to correct in my trading journey because by now I would have passed this phase 1 of my account. If I was taking partial profit from all my trade, the first trade I took, I went about $200 and I took a partial profit of $100. While the second one went for about $200 and I lost concentration and that trade came back and it hits me at stop loss. The third trade, same thing happened. It went for about $200 and it came back and hit me at stop loss. So what I did just now is that I just modified the way I'll be taking profits off the market. If my trade goes for 1:2, which is $200, I'll take $200 off the table, then I'll risk $50 for the remaining to run. At the same time, depending on the zone I entered from, If it goes for 1:2 and I see that the zone is still strong and the momentum is still going in my favor, I'll just take $100 partial profit off the chart and leave the rest to run. But once it goes for 1:1.5, I'll break even, then I'll allow the trade to go for 1:2 before taking partial profit. So as it stands now, I'm out of this trade with $100 profit, which is fair. So as it stands now, I'm not down in drawdown, and at the same time, I'm not in profit on this account. So we'll come back tomorrow, look for a setup. If I see one, I'll be taking that setup. See you all tomorrow. So I took this sell on NAS on the 5-minute time frame. The main reason I took this trade was that this was a very quick trade. Immediately I came to the market, I just saw the market consolidating at this level on the 5-minute time frame. So then I noticed again that this support level has not been broken. It has just been like this now for a while. So what I just did was that I just went to the 4 hours time frame to confirm that this level here had covered a demand zone, which it did yesterday. All this level here covered a demand zone from the 4-hour time frame. So all I wanted was to take a sell ASAP. But since I came to the market immediately and I was still analyzing, I have to enter the sell from here. Initially I was looking at entering the sell from here, but it was looking as if I was going to miss the trade, so I jumped on the trade here ASAP. So price went for 1:1.5. I broke even and it went for almost my take profit, which was $200. This particular price went for $195. Just $5 for it to hit me at take profit, and it reversed and it went back and it hits me at break even. This is it here. This was the trade I took. So if you observe it, it hits me at break even. Then on the chart, if you observe it, this was where they entered from. Price came all the way down here and it came back and it hit me at break even at this blue arrow here. At this point, I don't know if I should say that I've been the most unlucky person this week, because I've been right for all my direction for the week, and all of them has gone for at least $200 or almost my take profit. And in all of those trades, I haven't been able to take full profit from this trade. One thing I got to understand is that I was my own problem, which I corrected immediately. So I had to remodify my trading plan in a way that I'll be going for just 1:2, since I'm risking a $100. So instead of going for 1:4 to pass the account ASAP, I'll be going for just 1:2. And once trade goes for 1:1.5, I'll be breaking even. But the only thing I won't be doing is to take partial profit anymore. So far as trade has gone for 1:1.5 and I've broken even, I will allow the trade to run until it hits my take profit. So that's what I'm just going to stick to, and I just started that today. Immediately trade went for 1:1.5, I broke even and it went for almost my take profit, but it reversed and it hits me at break even. If I hadn't broken even, it would have hit me at stop loss, and I would have been pissed because this trade had already gone for almost my take profit, and because I did not break even, it came back and hit me at stop loss. So that's the importance of break even. If you're a trader, you should make sure you use your break even efficiently. You should try to construct a trading plan that will help you either make money or avoid unnecessary losses in the market. So as it stands now, I'm done for the week, and this is what my P&L looks like. I took 5 trades this week. I lost twice, and I took partial profit of $100 twice. And the last trade, which is the one I took today Friday, I broke even at my entry point, so I did not make money nor lose money. So once again, if you've been able to watch up to this point and you're new to this channel, hit the like button. As you are doing that, hit the subscribe button as well, because every week you should be expecting an episode from me documenting all the trades I take every week, and I do them here on YouTube. At the end of the week, I post all the trades I took for that week to share with you and my family online and those who support what I'm doing. So once again, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching this episode. See you all next week.